Hi guys, let's see. Goblin Mind Game is an exciting adventure and strategy game set in a mysterious underground mine. Players will hunt for treasure by navigating the mine, collecting gems and gold while completing different tasks. But you are not alone in this mine. You will have to develop a clever strategy to deal with the goblins guarding the mine. Game features: exciting adventures. Explore every corner of the mine by completing quests and discovering mysterious areas. Valuables and treasures. Collect precious stones, gold, and hidden treasures that you will find on your way. The treasures you collect will give you power and bonuses throughout the game. Fighting goblins. Encounter the goblins guarding the mine and try to defeat them with strategic moves. Different types of goblins and their unique characteristics will make your struggles even more difficult. Upgrade your own mining equipment. Become stronger by upgrading your equipment and skills with the gold you collect in the game. Quests and achievements. There are various quests to complete and achievements to achieve throughout the game. These quests and achievements make your progress in the game more enjoyable and rewarding. Gameplay. You control a minor character in the game. Your goal is to collect hidden treasures and precious stones deep in the mine, while also fighting goblins. With each level, the difficulties you'll encounter as you try to go deeper into the mine increase. You can progress by overcoming obstacles and defeating goblins on the way. The valuable items you collect throughout the game help you survive longer in the mine and become stronger. You can complete difficult tasks more easily by improving your equipment. Graphics and sound design. Goblin Mind Game draws attention with its dark yet detailed graphics. The mysterious atmosphere of the underground is further strengthened by sound effects. Every detail is designed to add excitement to the player while searching for hidden treasures in the mine. Why should you play? If you like adventure and strategy games. If you are looking for a game set in a mysterious underground atmosphere. If you enjoy challenging tasks and encountering bold enemies. Goblin Mind Game is the game for you. It offers a different gaming experience with its structure that is both fun and requires strategy. The importance of balance in the Goblin Telegram game. One of the biggest challenges in Goblin Mine is maintaining a balanced upgrade strategy. This means you can't focus too much on one aspect, like the mine itself, without also upgrading your workers and tools. For example, there's no point in having a fully upgraded mine if your workers can't keep up with the resource extraction. Likewise, if you hire too many workers but don't develop your mine, they will finish mining the available resources quickly and have nothing to do until the next upgrade. The game is all about making everything work in harmony. Daily rewards and tasks. One of the easiest ways to earn more coins in the Goblin Telegram game is by completing the game's daily rewards and tasks. Every day you log into the game, you can claim a daily bonus that runs for 7 consecutive days. However, if you miss a single day, you'll have to start afresh. On the first day, you claim the least coins, which is 10,000, while on the 7th day, you can claim the premium reward of 500,000 coins. Also, you have simple tasks to complete. These include joining the game's Telegram channel, following its social media accounts on X and TikTok, and subscribing to its YouTube channel. These tasks are simple and easy to complete, so make sure you check in every day because skipping out on these rewards can slow your progress. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's play Goblin Mind Game and make money share with friends and win together.